What are you doing down here? Shouldn't you be up at the party? This is a weird place to be. Oh yeah, I was just, I left something down here and I had to come get it. Yeah. I know the the person running the party. Yeah. No, I haven't seen them. Maybe they left or something. Okay, I don't know where they are. No, so what are you still doing down here? Well, I'm going upstairs. You're blocking my way. No, because I don't know what you're doing down here. Well, you could be like trying to steal stuff or something. I don't trust you. Oh, really? Why is that? I don't think that I've given you any reason to think that. What, this?